What's happening? Hope you're all well and blessed. Joining me here in quite an exciting little journey. Lockdown just started and it's flipping in the UK, so everyone's thinking what the hell is this guy doing, but me and the missus are actually driving to Germany. I thought why not I vlog it so you guys come along for the journey and see what we get up to. So yeah, I have some important stuff I need to sort out in Germany, so yeah, I'm going there for 4 days, coming back. So let's see what we get up to. I need you guys to like this video, guys, subscribe to the channel. So this is probably the longest I've ever driven, okay? So I've got this little 520D, be good on fuel. Yeah, follow us on this journey. And follow me up on Instagram, guys, at silverback_AJ. Let's roll. Are you ready? Wifey, are you ready? So I have to do a fake one now. Wifey, you ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
Everyone, she's a bit mad at me, and I was literally like to her, I'm gonna do a fake one, and she had to do a fake reaction. I'm just real, man, I ain't gonna fake things. Okay, we're done. It's clicking, guys, it's full tank. Okay, we're fueled up, ready to roll. Okay, the total journey is 549 miles. I just full tanked the car, and it's saying 528. So I'm hoping once we get on the motorway, I can make up some of that in motorway miles and maybe get there in one tank. That's the challenge. One full tank, 20 plate, BMW 520D. Can it get to Germany in one full tank? Let's roll. Yo people, look at the mileage now. 555. So the whole journey is 549. As I said, the mileage will go up on motorway miles, as everyone knows. So let's see, hopefully, challenges, can we get there in one tank? Comment if you think we can get all the way to Freiburg, which is southwest Germany, in one tank. 549 miles. Comment below if we can do it. Oh, 556 miles the range now. But check this fog out. That actually looks mad. Say no more 520D. 585 range. Pretty sick. I'm not gonna lie, both of our eyes are burning, so guys, this potentially could be the last video I ever make. I'm actually so impressed by this car, guys. The range is saying, Sean, 600 miles. Saying an extra 70 miles on top of that. I think it's safe to say, God willing, we should get there in one tank. What do you think, wifey? One tank, we got this? Oh, 601. This is rising, so. Just made it through the border into France, but we're still in the UK, which is a bit weird. So about to board the tunnel, the train that goes through the tunnel under the,
it's called Euro Tunnel.
The Euro Tunnel. That's gonna go under the English Channel. I don't know which sea it is or whatever.
I think that's what it is.
Yeah.
English Channel.
So, and the range, it's still 670 miles. I think we're gonna do it. Car is actually very good. One tank going all the way to Germany.
It's still on full tank and we've driven like 2 hours.
It's mad.
That's crazy.
Guys, if you want a fuel economy, if you want a fuel efficient car, if you want a car with good fuel economy, look no further than the BMW 520 diesel. Not for me, but it's a sick car for a run. For a run. I almost bloody hit into the car, bruv. Idiot.
Reverse a little bit. Anyways,
before there's an accident. Catch you guys in the train. Yo people, the wifey was kind enough to make me these banging burgers. I had 7 with, it's basically grilled chicken with lettuce, Nando sauce. Let's take an honest bite. I'm joking.
Excuse me.
I give it a nice solid 6.5 out of 10.
Wow.
7.
I didn't even try that. We did that in the morning. It's just grilled chicken, lettuce,
the main thing
and bread.
is it's not dry, so I could down it. I got 7 burgers in total. It's about 1,300 calories. Boom!
400 grams of chicken breast. How much protein is that?
150.
150.
You don't mess around, guys. No matter where you're around the world, you get your meals in. Otherwise, you're gonna be sucked.
We're waiting.
We are now in the Eurotunnel. Okay, let's see, it's about 30 minutes. I was just thinking, guys, yeah, look, you have to stay in the car. you can't like go nowhere. Okay, they block the doors.
But we're the first car, that's why it looks like this. Otherwise it's just cars and cars and cars.
I'm just saying, innit? So if you need a piss, it's kind of peak.
Behind the scenes.
Yo people, we're about to shoot off. We're about to exit the train.
I'm kind of excited. I want to know what it's like. I've never been like across this route. Guys, I'm gonna stop the live soon. I just want to show you guys how it looks like because it might be interesting for some. Whoa. And there we are.
And we out.
It's so bright.
And it's
Whoa.
a beautiful day. MashaAllah. Yes people, we are
so
in.
Dark because of the background.
Oh yeah. We are in proper France, huh? Isabel.
France. France.
We're in France. Gonna go past Paris. My younger brother went there.
So Paris.
I know Paris, but we were trying to go past. Where were we? We were somewhere in it, in Spain or wherever it was. My youngest brother tried to say Paris in the French way, and he was like Paris, and I was like, what? It's Paris. Anyways, so I had to switch up the units, guys, to kilometers because I don't want to go faster than the speed limit because I'll get confused. So it's safe to say this beast of a car in fuel economy is gonna make it. It's saying our distance to destination is 675 kilometers and the range of the car is 991 kilometers. You fat boy with a fat belly. Good boy. So
I love this car. I actually like it so much.
Nah, it's
I want it.
Nah, it's dead.
I want this car. Can you buy it for me?
Okay, I'll buy it for you.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Check the road though. Look at that. Look at the M5 right here. Flat out. Oh, look how fast I go, guys. 140, 150, 160. Oh, this car is so slow. What's happening, people? Just checking in. We've been on the road for 7 hours. We've got 294 kilometers left until our destination, and the fuel is saying 464 kilometers. I still got more than half a tank, so this car is doing really well. Anyways, guys, sun's setting though, so I kind of wanted to get a quick little clip in before it gets dark, because then it's going to be a bit weird, you won't see much. But yeah, yo people, just got to the in-laws, featuring my cute little niece-in-law.
My wife's niece.
My wife, what was she to me then? Niece-in-law? Okay, my wife's niece. Asia, come say hi.
Hi.
Hi. I'm having some steak with rice, veg. Get these gains. Let's not mess up the diet, which we won't. Anyways, guys, let me finish this and then I'll wrap up the video later. Yo, people, what's good? It's the next day. I'm at my in-laws. I'm gonna head on over to this really nice grilled spot. Yeah, it's got amazing wraps, pizzas, everything. But got the little bad boy. What are you saying, wife?
Why are you recording while this guy is doing his
It doesn't matter. I'm just showing this little beast that we managed to drive all the way to Germany with. Anyways, I'll catch you guys at the spot. All right, people, we're at the spot. The place is called Eat Fresh. This place is banging. It's run by some Arabs or someone, I don't know, and their food is amazing. Annoying thing is, because of all this lockdown crap, we can't actually eat inside, obviously, so it's not going to do any justice, but it is what it is, man. Anyways, when I get the food, I'll show you guys what I've ordered. That looks so good. Everything.
Mark the sunshine.
Much coleslaw over, never mind. Whatever. Quite healthy, people. Too much of the sauce.
Ja, hier asked ja. Bisschen von dem Chili. Okay.
Bruh, if I ever said to you guys that the chicken wrap, I mean the burrito wrap was big in Westfield, this one is levels. Look at this. That's my fist.
Look at the doner.
Proper doner. Apparently the wifey goes, you can't.
That's the best doner ever.
You can't get it in London like this.
Can't, no.
Anyways, let me devour this, and I'll catch you guys when I get back to the yard. Yo, people, what's happening? So, decided to take a drive to France. As I've mentioned in the previous vlog, where my in-laws live is on the border to Switzerland and France. So we're here in Strasbourg. There is a halal KFC, because mum wants to get a little KFC. And you guys are gonna love this city. I swear it's beautiful. If anyone's been to Strasbourg in France, proper nice, clean, is it called cultural city? What's the word for it? It's quite, looks like it's got history, that's what I mean. Anyways, I'll see you when I get to the main city centre. And not take wearing this mask stuff seriously. Ugh. Messes up your beard as well. Similar lockdown here as well. Everything is closed. I think I'll show a mask off now. Flipping ghost town. This place is normally so busy. And this is where me and the wifey met actually the first time. So it was in Strasbourg. As I came with my mum, as some of you might know from a previous video. Proper nice area, man. Man's been a proper tourist. Just showing you guys the city, you know what I mean? Used to be, this place is packed normally. Actually dead. Flipping out. Lockdown is not the one. Look, people, looks proper nice, man. I just come to the spot, yeah? Look, through here is where the hotel I stayed at first time. I'm zooming into it, yeah? That's the hotel.
Hello.
Say hi to the camera. Look at her beautiful eyes. Allahumma barik. She started blinking. I'm hungry, let's eat, man. Yeah, 100%. Are you sure this is the one that was halal though? Bruh, only one way to find out. So if you guys ever come to Strasbourg, this KFC, I don't know how you're gonna clock it. Opposite H&M, there's a H&M out there, is halal. Trying to find somewhere to sit, to eat. Just gonna sit in this big square. Not the one to be sitting outside and eating, but it is what it is. Gonna sit right here. Right, what did I order? Got this crunchy burger. Extra crunch. Round 2, baby. We got a double stacker. 2 bits of, damn, that looks good. Man, that meal was good. I've had KFC for about 2-3 months. Tasted amazing. But now the guilt's kicking in. Just gonna go for a little walk, maybe get coffee, and then head on back to Germany. Proper nice. If you guys ever come to Strasbourg, you have to check out this spot. It's like some ancient cathedral. If you lot saw the detail in this, wait, this is wham. I don't think you guys understand how big this is. And look how small those people are down there. And look. Wham. And the detail is crazy. How it looks like in the night time. Proper nice. I would say Strasbourg is quite a romantic kind of city. You could definitely come with your missus. I have a confession to make. Today became a cheat day because after I had the KFC, I was convinced to have a waffle by my brother-in-law. So today's a cheat day. So when I go back to my mother-in-law's, I'm gonna go all in. Yeah. What's that? Yeah, look, just to top it off, I'm gonna have some of this sugar. I'm gonna down the sugar.
I chocolate.
Yeah, I'm like a kid. Hold it and record me.
You still have chocolate there, by the way.
Just telling them how it's a romantic city. What do you think?
Yeah, I agree.
It is, isn't it? I was telling them it's a place you can bring your wife. Not your girlfriend, your wife. Yeah, no speed limits. Now no one can say anything about reckless driving. So what's that? 60, 70, 180, 190. want to do it in daytime, but I want to come back in M5 and you guys will see. But it's a bit risky. Look, it's foggy right now. This guy's getting out of my way, he's being smart. There you go. 2.5, 2.10, 2.13, not bad. Alright guys, anyways, I'll catch you when I get back home. Okay guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. This vlog actually spanned over like 2-3 days. It's kind of long. I never got to finish it properly. But I'm gonna end the video here. This car, I swear, if you guys are interested in a good fuel efficient family car, the 520D, not my cup of tea because obviously we like performance kind of stuff, but honestly, as a run around day-to-day car, can't go wrong. I swear, drove from London all the way to South Germany and then back to France in one tank of fuel. Crazy. Yeah, anyways guys, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and heading back home to London now. I've packed this car with so much stuff. Let me show you, look, if you can see actually. I hope I don't get pulled over in London or anywhere really. It's like, bruh, look, it's packed to the brim. So yeah, right, ending it here guys. Always takes me forever to end the video. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow me up on Instagram at silverback_AJ, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care, bye.